So we are walking back from Serendipity Pond, Serendipity, to Fiddlehead Pond. Oops. All this wind messing with our fabrics. Hey, there's our rock. Here's two more of our rocks, Willem. Somehow it got shorter. Oh, excuse me. Or longer. Oh, my hat. My hat, it has no corners. No corners has my hat. But had it any corners, it would not be my hat. Do, 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 do. We have such a great place down here, don't we, Willem? We have spent many very enjoyable hours of our summertime. And we are still spending enjoyable hours, in spite of the depth of the water on the pond. I'm glad I brought all that stuff up before it rained. Look at this, our little lilac is still happy. These poor irises need to be covered up. We never go look at the stream anymore, you know.
Huh, yeah.
Who needs a stream when we have 3 ponds? That's pretty cool. We could do that. Make our cloth walk, our Triaqua trail. You were going to say something, but you saw the cameras on.
Right.
Right. Okay. I covered up this teepee here, but I didn't batten it all down perfectly, so it's perhaps my sedge grass and the other stuff are going to get wet. So you be okay without me while I'm gone?
Sure, I'll manage.
I'll be back at 2
Okay.
or less, maybe 1. Depends what they're doing at the Vibe Arts. Do you have any plans? Oh yeah, at 4 we go clean the chapel.
Well, we can leave at 3
3
or so.
or 3:30.
No, 3:30.
Why 3:30? Oh dear, these have gotten wet. I guess I have to go change my footwear. And that's the day from here.